In order to open the download mode on POCO X7 Pro, you will need to use the USB cable and connect your device to a computer. However, not immediately. You need to simply prepare the cable because you will need to do that after all. In order to access the download mode, first we need to turn off our device. So press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. There we go, and now let's power off. After that, we need to go to the recovery mode. In order to do so, you need to press and hold the power button and volume up button until you see the POCO logo. Once you see the logo, you want to release the power button and just hold the volume up button. So let me demonstrate. Press and hold both of these buttons. There we go. Now just hold volume up. And now we are in the recovery mode. Now over here we need to go down to connect with MI Assistant. So use volume down in order to scroll down, and you can use volume up in order to scroll up. And once you are connected with the assistant, simply choose the power button. And now we need to connect our device to the computer. So like I mentioned, use the USB cable and plug it into your device. And there we go. Now you are in the download mode. Of course, on your computer, you might need to use a software that allows you to do something with the download mode. And once you are done with it, if you want to go back to the normal mode, of course, we need to unplug the cable. There we go. And now press and hold the power button until this screen is off. So it might take you several seconds before it is gone. There we go. Now we can release the power button. We're gonna see the POCO logo, but most likely we're gonna go back to the recovery mode instead of the normal mode. There we go. So here we need to choose reboot. So just press the power button twice in order to go back to the system. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.